In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your Samsung Galaxy phone back to default settings. So if you want to do a complete factory restore, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to scroll near the bottom where it says system, and you want to select that. And then scroll down again and select the reset options at the bottom of this menu. Select the erase all data factory reset option right here. So this will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. Select erase all data. All your personal information and downloaded apps will be deleted. You cannot undo this action. Select erase all data. So there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.